हेलो गाइस, ये केले के पत्ते का झाड़ है, छोटे छोटे केले के पत्ते का झाड़ है। ये मैं तुलसी पूजा के लिए लेके आई हूँ। मैं ये उसको झाड़ से उनको स्वागत करूँगी, उनको सजाऊँगी। मैं सजाऊँगी, आपको फिर बाद में दिखाऊँगी कैसे मैं सजा रही हूँ। ओके,
दिखाइए। As you can see, Tulsi Viva decorations are in progress, and there are lots and lots of flowers, garlands, and so many good things. Tulsi Mata. I'll show you some more flowers. So I really enjoy decorating. Okay, I think let's talk about something else since I'm decorating for Tulsi Viva, and it's about a puja. So we have to talk something about goodness, positivity, all of that. One, two, three, four, five, six. So when me or my bhaiya would complain to my dad saying that this person so and so has told us this, we are feeling very bad, we're getting so angry, how could they say that to us or whatever, then immediately my father would be like, okay, they said that to you, they did that to you. Can you imagine uh, from their perspective as to why they would have told that? At that point of time, it would piss me off. It would be like, so whatever the reason is, why did they say that to me? And he will be like, no, you also have to think from the other person's perspective, where they are coming from and why they are doing a certain thing the way they are doing or where they are talking. So yeah, that thing would really piss me and my bhaiya, that At this point of time, when we are so angry, we are so upset, disappointed, why should we, think about someone else? They should be feeling apologetic and all of that. But I think slowly uh, we learned to think from the other person's perspective. So that was the beginning of empathy lesson in our life. I think that is when we learned to be in other shoes and imagine what they're going through. And probably at that point of time, even though they said something, it didn't feel so harsh or so bad, because we always thought he must be going through something, they must be going through something. It's okay, just forget it. No problem. This is Suhag ka saman, specially to be donated for married women or married girls. So since this is Tulsi Vivaha, this is necessary. And this is 365 what wala diya, Bati wala diya. So one for every family member. मोहित वनिता तुलसी विवाह की जय हो। भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नमो भगवते वासुदेवा। हरि ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवा। हरि ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवा। हरि ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेव हरि ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेव.
मम्मी, डैड, भैया, wish you all a very very happy Tulsi Vivaah Puja. Happy Vivaah Tulsi Puja. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So this is the morning after Tulsi Vivaah Puja that we celebrated last night. How pretty the balcony is looking with all the flowers. The starfish idea was my mom's. Even the border idea was my mom's. The execution part is me. Okay, bye bye. Take care.